Welcome to Sarat Chandra Academy aptitude classes. So this is Shyam. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is simplifications. So this topic is very useful while solving the questions related to the concepts like ratio and proportions, averages, percentages, simple and compound interest, and partnerships, time and distances, whatever the topics related to the aptitude section. So in each and every topic, we are going to use the concept related to the simplifications. So that's why this simplifications is a very important topic. Okay. Yeah. So it comes to the weightage for this topic. So from this topic, we are going to get at least 5 questions in every competitive examinations. And comes to the data interpretation concept also, this will help us to solve the calculations within less time, to do the calculations within less time. So that's why this topic is very important for us. Okay, and especially I'm mentioning you people. So in this topic or in this video, I am going to explain each and every question in different possible ways. That is a regular method or basic calculations method and the shortcuts related to that question. And if any other methods are there, I can explain those one also. Okay, so means we are discussing every question from the root basics to the upper level. Okay, then you can able to get the basic knowledge and applications of this type of questions also. So from this video you are going to learn each and everything of a simplifications concept. So, right? Okay, we'll start the session. So from 1 to 20 we are going to solve the questions where the question mark is there. We need to find that value. So this one. Okay, so now we'll see the first one. So read the first one. So 8 by 21 and 14 by 17 into 45 by 56. So we need to simplify this. Listen carefully. While solving this type of questions, you need to be aware of the tables from 1 to 10 or 2 to 10. You need to know the tables. Okay. It means that while asking what is 7 8s are, you're not supposed to read the 7 table completely. You need to tell 7 8s are 56. So like that, you need to tell it fast. Okay. So now here, how the calculations can be done. So 8 table here we can cancel, that is of 7 times, and 7 table here 2 times. Okay. And now comes to the 9 table here 3 times, in 45 5 times. Is that okay? So now the remaining is 5 2s are 10 by 21 3s are 63. So second one is the correct answer. So now again I'll tell you how the calculations are in a brief manner. So this is 8 by 21, so 14 by 27 and 45 by 56. This is the question given. So now 8 table here 1 times, and in 56 7 times. Now 7 table here 1 time and here 2 times. Okay, then 9 table in 27 3 times, in 45 5 times. Now there is no more table which can cancel in the remaining numbers, right? So remaining we can calculate. 5 2s are 10 by 21 3s are 63. So this is the answer. Okay, if you are good at multiplications or in the tables, this sum may take 5 seconds, just 5 seconds. Okay, so to understand the concept, I have given this much of explanation. Is that clear? Yes. Next one, second one. Okay, what is the question? 1235 plus 26542 minus 8005. So before solving the question, just try to observe the question within in 2 or 3 seconds. First observe the question in 2 or 3 seconds. See here, what are the ones digit 5 and 2. If you add these two, we'll get 7, and the next 3 and 4. If you add these two, we'll get again 7, and 2 and 5. We'll get again 7. 1 and 6. We'll get again 7. Means after adding these two, what will be the answer? 2 7 7 7 7. 4 sevens will come. for these 4 and for these 4, and the 2 will be the remainder. Is that okay? So from this we need to subtract 8005. Is that simple, you know? So after observing the question, then you can apply the whatever your methods you know. Okay, then it will be easy to solve the question. Okay, so now tell me what will be the answer. 7 minus 5, you know that is 2. Here will come 7. Here also 7. Now comes here 27 minus 8. So direct. If you have to know this logic. So from 27 you need to subtract 8. Why? Because from 7 we are not supposed to subtract 8, right? So that's why I'll take like this. From 17 we need to subtract 8. 17 we are subtracting 8 means 110 is the remaining here. 1 will be the remaining here. From 17 we need to subtract 8. 17 minus 8 is how much? 9. So the answer is 19,772. Fourth one is the correct answer. Okay, yes, next one. So this one, 7,12,547 divided by 11 minus 4843. So again and again I am telling you, while solving this type of questions, just read the question or observe the question just for 2 or 3 seconds. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so don't write 7,12,547 divided by 11 and dividing with 11. So don't try to do this type of calculations. It will take more time actually. So here comes to the question. We need to divide with 11. Is that okay? And see the answers. Answers are exactly it's a pure numbers, not in the form of decimal numbers. Means this 11 is definitely is going to divide the given number, that is 7,12,547. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can check the 11 divisibility rule. What is the 11 divisibility rule? Sum of odd numbers minus sum of even numbers. Even place numbers, odd place numbers. What is 7 plus 2? 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, and then 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 minus 13, we got 0. Means definitely this number will divide it by 11. Is that clear? That is the rule for 11. I am writing here a simple note. What is the rule for 11? Difference, I'll write here, sum of the digits present in odd places minus sum of the digits present in even places. So this should be either 0 or 11 multiple. Okay, so this is what you need to remember while dividing with the 11. Okay, so now divide with 11. 1 second. Okay, so I'll just change the color, so that's why. Now, so 11 table here one time, so direct division I am going to do. So here how many times, ma? Here for 6 times. Okay, I'll write here 7,12,547 by 11 minus 4,843. So this is the question, just for understanding. You can direct division, you can direct apply the division here. So now the 11 table here 6 times, right? And the remainder is 5. We'll get 52. 52 means only 4 times. Okay, 4 times means 44, and the remainder is how much? 8, right? 85 here. You'll get 85 means only 7 times. 85 minus 77 will get how much? 8 again. 84 is the next remainder. Again 7 times you will get. Okay, 7 becomes the remainder, and if you carry down we'll get 77, that is of 7 times. So now 64,777 minus 4,843. You'll get the answer. This is a 4 and 3. And here how much we'll get? From 17 we need to take 8. From 17 minus 8 we'll get 9. Here is the 3 actually. 13 minus 4 is 9 again, and the remaining is 5. So 59,934 is the answer. Though here we need to remember one thing, that is 11 rule. Is that clear? Yes. Next one. So this one. So it's a mixed fraction actually. You need to convert this into normal fractions. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. So that is 9 by 4 into. So this is 5 4s are 20 plus 3. So that is 23 by 4 into here 11 8s are 88 plus 8, that is 96 by 11 into 22. So easy calculations are, that is 2 times, and now 4 we can cancel here, that is 2 and 4 times, and here this is 6 times. Okay, so now the answer is how much is the answer? How to calculate this one? So 9 6 will multiply 9 6 first. 9 6 are 54 and 23 2s are 46. 23 2s are 46. So while multiplying 2-digit number, we can apply different methods for easy calculations. That is, I am going to apply the first one, that is 54 into 46. In the first step, you need to multiply these two. So what is 6 4s are 24? Write the ones digit place, and the remaining will becomes the carry. So actually 6 4s are 24, right? So we need to write 4 here in the main answer, and the 2 becomes the carry. In the next step, you need to multiply 6 5s and 4 4s, and then add those two. What is 6 5s? Okay, I'll write here. In the first step, we just multiplied 4 6. In the second step, we need to multiply 6 5s and 4 4s, and then we need to add. So how much? This is 30 plus 16. How much, ma? 46. Actually 46, but here we got a carry. So that is carry is 2 here. This is the carry, right? 46 plus 2. How much? 48. And 8 we need to write here, and 4 becomes the carry. 4 becomes the carry. Now in the third step, we need to multiply these two. So this is the third step. So there we can multiply 5 and 4. We will get 20 actually, but the carry is there, 4. We need to add that carry to the 20. So then we'll get 24. So 2484 is the answer. Is there? Yes. I'll tell you one more method. So that is split and add. Split and add method. Okay, 1 second. I'll use a different color. Yes. So how to split and add? So in the easy way, we can split actually. So that is so 50 can be written as 50 plus 4 into 46 ma. Here 50 into 46 we need to multiply. So that is 50 into 46 and plus 4 into 46. So right? Yes. What is 50 into 46? 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20 plus 3, 23, and one more 0 we need to add. And here again we can split this. So that is 4 into 40 plus 6. So now the answer is 2300 plus 4 40s are 160 plus 4 6 are 24. How much will you get? 84 and 24 is the answer. See, this is for just explanation. So I think you can understand the logic behind this question. You can split and multiply these calculations in your minds. Why? Because you all people are good at calculations like in multiplications and in the tables. If you are good at tables and the multiplications and addition techniques, you can easily solve this type of calculations in your brains only. We know already what is 5 into 46 is 230, and 10 we need to keep. What is 4 40s are 160, 4 6 are 24. We know already these all calculations, right? So that's why I am mentioning these two methods, and I am mentioning again and again simplifications techniques needs tables, multiplications and additions. Is that clear, ma? Yes. Okay then. So see here, this is an important question actually for competitive examinations. Okay, we can use any of these two methods. Is that clear? Yes. Next one. See here. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Actually, we know while dividing two fractions, the second fraction or the denominator fraction will become reciprocal, and the division operation will becomes multiplication. Here, while I am writing the two things, while dividing dividing the two fractions. So these all are in fifth standard. Okay, the first step we need to remember is division operation becomes. So division becomes multiplication. Division becomes multiplication, and the denominator fractions will be reciprocal. We need to take the denominator fraction as reciprocal. These two things we need to remember while solving this type of question. Okay, now what it becomes? It becomes 1 by 2 into 4 by 3. Of course, we can direct cancel here. This is of 2 times, right? Actually, and 3 in 27, that is 9 times. Is that okay? And the answer is how much is the answer? So 9 by 70 will get right. Okay, yes, we'll do that one. So this is 27 by 35. So this is of 2 times and this is of 9 times, that is equal to 18 by 35. So these two we need to multiply and the denominator is 35. Got the answer? Clear? Yes. Okay, once again I'll explain that one. So 1 by 2 into the second fraction will becomes reciprocal into 27 by 35. So this one we need to take as it is. Why? Because here multiplication. The only that I explained these two things while dividing only. Okay, you need to remember this point. Okay, now so we can cancel these two 2 times. 3 table, that is 9 times. 9 twos are 18 by 35. So third one is the answer. Okay, next one. So now, okay, two fractions are equal. Two fractions equal in the sense. Two fractions equal means what we need to do? So cross multiplication. We need to do cross multiplication. Okay, so this is what you need to remember. So these are all the basics from childhood class, but just I am recollecting all the informations. Okay, yeah. So here so question mark is there. So question mark will take as x into x will get x square, and 784 into 289. So now the x value is nothing but square root of 784 plus 289. So now the thing we need to remember is we need to know the squares of and the square roots of numbers up to 30. We need to learn those things. Okay, so for that I'll just explain some few squares. So that is give me a second. Yeah, so here I'm writing the squares, and after that we'll come to the question. So what is 1 square? Tell me. We'll get 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. 6 square means 36. 7 square means 49. 8 square 64. 9 square 81. 10 square is 100. We know already the squares of these numbers. Why? Because from childhood we are daily using these squares. Now comes to the topic, that it comes to the task, that is 11 square. Maybe a little bit difficult, right? So finding 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square. Now 15 square, 16 square, 17 square, 18 square, 19 square and 20 square. Maybe for some people, so remembering these values are also easy, but comes to the task that is for the squares of 21, 22, 23 and 24, 25 and so on, 50 up to 30, sorry. So 29 square and 30 square. Now tell me, what is 11 square? 11 square means 121. Okay, so 11 and 11, this is the method for multiplying with the 11. We need to write 11 two times. Okay, the 12 square means 144. You can apply the logic. See, for example, if you are not able to remember the squares of these numbers, just practice to find the squares of these numbers by using the method what we discussed for the previous question. So that is 12 into 12, right? So two digit multiplication. Here I am explaining. See here, in the first step we need to multiply 2 2s are 4. In the second step, 2 ones and 2 ones, that is 4. And after that 1 into 1, so 144 you'll get. Of course it is a taking a time, but with the practice you can reduce the time. Okay, or the thing is you need to remember the squares of these numbers. What is 13 square? 169. 14 square, what is 14 square? 196. 15 square is 225. 16 square is how much? 256. 17 square is 289. 18 square is 324 and 19 square is 361. 20 square, you know, that is 400. Now comes to the 21 square, so that is 441. 22 square, how much? 484. 23 square means 529. 24 in the sense 576. 25 is 625, you know this already. 26 is 676 and 27 square is 729 and 28 square is 784. 29 square is 841 and 30 square is 900. Okay, so I'll pick any one of these two and I'll apply this method, and I will apply this method. Okay, let us say we'll take 26 square ma. Okay, so I'm going to apply here. See here. Okay, 26 into 26. What is the first step? 6 6. What is 6 6 are? 36 and 3 becomes the carry. In the second step, 6 2s and 6 2s. 12 plus 12, nothing but 24. 24 plus 7, 27 and 2 becomes the carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Got the answer? See, to save the time, if you are not able to remember the squares of these values and if you want to save the time in the examination, you need to practice this method. Or you can apply the method that is 20 plus 6. We know what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a square here? 20 square, that is 400. What is b square here? That is 36. And what is 2ab? 46 are 240. We can add up all these things. There also we'll get the same answer. We can apply any of these two methods and you need to practice these methods. Then only you can able to save the time in the examination. Now comes to the question. What is 784? Actually 784, how to write a 784? Where is it? Where it is? Here. 28 square means 784 root 784 into root 289. I'm writing this expression in different manner. So now root 784 is nothing but 28. Root 289 is nothing but 17. See here, 17. So now 28 into 17. You can apply any of these two methods like split and add method, or we can apply the regular method, that is multiplying two digit numbers. Okay, so first we'll apply multiplying two digit numbers. 7 8s are, what is 7 8s? 56. The 5 becomes the carry. 7 2s are 14 plus 8 1s are 8. 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 5, 27 and 2 becomes the carry. In the third step, we need to multiply 2 and 1. 2 1s are 2 plus carry 2, that is 4. So the answer is 476. Okay, so now we'll apply split and add method. So split and add method. How to split? That is 28 into 17 can be written as 10 plus 7. Now 28 tens are 280. Now we need to multiply 28 into 7. Again 28 into 7 means 20 plus 8 into 7. 7 20s are 140 and 7 80s are 7 8s are 56. Now apply addition. This is of 6 and 17 and we'll get 476 is the answer. Okay, so these are the things or facts you need to remember and you need to keep in your brains. Okay, so right, and one more thing I would like to mention here, some magical numbers are there here. So that is, so see here 13 square. Okay, I'll use another color, that is okay. So now see 13 square, it is 169 and 14 square is 196. Okay, so now these two numbers are formed by the numbers, that is 169. You can easily remember like that. Okay, so now 12 square 144 and 21 square is 441. Just reverse. Yes, okay, like that we can say 31 square also. What is 31 square? 961. 13 square is 169, 31 square is 961. So like that we can remember. And you know already 5 square is 25, 15 square is 225 and 25 square is 625. These values we can remember easily. So right, yeah. So these are the facts regarding the squares and the square roots. You need to remember, you need to keep in your brains. Okay, yes. Next one. So this one. So mixed fractions are given. We need to add these three mixed fractions. Okay, we can solve this by using two methods. So first we will see the first method, that is convert these mixed fractions into normal fractions. 5 ones are 5 plus 3, that is 8 by 5, plus 15 threes are 45 plus 2, so that is 47 by 15, plus 5 twos are 10 plus 4, that is 14 by 5. So now take the LCM of 5, 10, 15. Okay, of course this finding the LCM for these numbers is very easy, but I'll tell you the two methods to find the LCM. So that is, so finding the LCM of 5, 15 and 5. So we'll use the regular method, that is this one. So by taking L-shaped method, and we need to pick the minimum number which can divide the given numbers, that is 1 time, 3 times and 1 time. 5 threes are, we need to multiply the quotients. So these are all quotients, so we'll get a 15. This is one method. And another method, that is, so pick the biggest one from the given three numbers. 15 is the biggest one, right? And read the multiples of 15. Read the multiples of 15. First multiple is 15 and check whether that multiple is divided by remaining two numbers or not. Actually, what is the first multiple of 15? 15 itself, that can be divisible by 5. Yes, that is of 3 times, right? So that 15 becomes the LCM. This is 1 time, this is 3 times. Okay, so like that also we can find the LCM. So now LCM is 15. This 5 in 15, how many times? 3 times. So 3 8s are 24, plus 15 in 15, 1 time. See here, I'm writing here. So 1 into 47, 47, and 5 in 15 again 3 times. 3 14s are 42. So now what is 24 plus 47 plus 42? 40 plus 20. Okay, we'll take like this: 40, 40 and 20. Okay, I'll use different color. So here is the 20, 40 and 40. We'll get 100. And after that 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 14, 13. 100 plus 30, 113 by 50. Is that okay? Yes. What is 113 by 15? We need to convert that into mixed fraction, that is of 7 times, that is 105, and the remaining is 8. So 7 8 by 15 is the answer. So this is one method. This is one method. And now I'll tell you the another one. See, so first write the numbers that are whole numbers from the mixed fraction, and then write the fractions part. In between we need to use the plus symbol. 3 by 5, 2 by 15 plus 4 by 5. Now add these three. What is the answer? This is 6 plus. Now take the LCM for the second part, that is again 15. 5 in 15 3 times, 3 3s are 9. Here we'll get 2 and here we'll get 12. So that is equal to 6 plus. So this is a 14 plus 9, that is 23 by 15. So that is equal to 6 plus, how many times it is? 1 8 by 15. So this can be written as 6 plus 1 plus 8 by 15. Mixed fraction, for example 1 3 by 5 is there now, that we can write it like 1 plus 3 by 5. That is the logic I used here. So now we'll get 7 plus 8 by 15. This can be again rewritten as 7 8 by 15. So all these are just a basics. You can avoid these steps in the examinations. This is for just understanding how the concepts we are applying to this question. Is that clear? Okay. Yes. Next one. What is the answer? 7 8 by 50. So now the next question. 32 power 1.2 divided by 4. Actually. Okay, right. Okay, 32. How to write 32 actually? So we can write 32 as 2 power 5 whole power 1.2. So divided by means 4 is there. We can write it as 2 power 2. So what is 5 into, okay, I'll write here one formula, that is a power m whole power n, exponents and powers formula. So this is the formula I am going to use. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So that is 5 into 1.2 will get 6, and the denominator we have 2 power 2. Again one more formula I am going to use, that is a power m divided by a power n. While the bases are same and powers are different, we need to subtract the bases under the, we need to subtract the powers under the same base. So means how much will you get? 2 power 4. 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4, right? What is 2 power 4? 16 is the answer. So these two formulas we need to learn. This is from exponents and powers. So from the 8th standard. And some more formulas I would like to mention. So that is a power m into a power n. So that is equal to a power m plus n. And a power 0 is nothing but 1. Yes. Okay, right. So these are the few formulas we need to remember. So this type of questions can also be asked in the examination. Right. So answer is 16. Is it okay? Yes. Next one. So square root of 10,816. Okay. So right. So the technique I am going to use to find the square root of 10,816 is just divide the number into two parts. That is, last two numbers are one part and the remaining number is another part. Okay, this is first part and this is the second part. Okay, take the second part, that is 108, and find this number 108 is in between which two squares? Which two squares? Let us say, come back once again. I have written the squares here, right? See here, the required is 108 actually. 108 is in between 10 square and 11 square, right? It is in between 10 square. What is 10 square? 108. 11 square is 121. 108 lies between 100 and 121. Is it okay? Yes. Come back to the question. So means it is in between 10 square and 11 square. So between these two in the sense between 10 and 11, from 10 and 11, what is the smallest one? 10 is the smallest one. Means we got some answer of some part of the answer for this question. We got some part of the answer. Okay, this is clear. So 108 is in between which two squares? 10 square and 11 square. Okay, from these two, what is the smallest one? 10 is the smallest one, means we got some part of the original answer. Now comes to the ones place. That is, what is ones place? 6 is ones place, means by multiplying, or for which square we got 6 as 6 in ones place, means for which square, means for example 4 square will get 6 in ones place, and for 6 square also will get 6 in ones place. Okay, we have two possibilities to get 6 in ones place for the squares, that is 4 square and 6 square. From these two we need to pick the smallest one, that is 4. So now I've got the answer 104. Is that okay? Okay, now I am going to write the steps for this. So what is the first step we did here? First we divided. First we divided the given number into two parts. So that is first part is last two digits, okay, and the second part is remaining digits. Second part is remaining digits. And the second step, so find remaining, find what will you find in the sense? Second part, we'll use the word second part. Find the second part, right? Okay, sorry. So I'm going to write the steps for understanding. Okay, after seeing this video, maybe you can able to understand by the construction or steps, right? So that's why. Okay, right. So find the second part lies between in which two squares? In which two squares? Okay, and the third step, pick the smallest one. Pick the smallest one. Okay, and the fourth step, possibilities for the square of last digit. Okay, and the fifth step, from that we need to pick the small one. Okay, so these are the steps we followed to find the squares of the numbers. First step, what is? We need to divide the number into two parts. See here, so 16 and 108. Okay, so we need to find the second part lies between in which two squares. See here, 108 lies between 10 square and 11 square, and after that we need to pick the smallest one, that is 10. Okay, 10 I have written here. And the next step, possibilities for the squares of the last digit. What is the last digit? 6. To get a 6 in the last digit, we have two possibilities, that is 4 square and 6 square. Among these two, we need to pick the smallest one, that is the fifth step. Is this clear? Okay, now I'll give you some more examples for here for understanding. That is 4 4 5 2 1 is one example. So another example is 2 8 2 2 4. Okay, so now I am going to divide this. See here, we need to first step. What is the first step? We need to divide this into two parts. This is first part and this is the second part. Okay, 445. 445 lies between 21 square. See here, 21 square and 22 square. This is 21 square is actually 441. 22 square is how much? 484, I think so. Right? Okay, we'll see once again. See here, 22 square is 484, right? Yes. So means from these two we need to take the smallest one, that is 21. Now comes to the ones place. What are the possibilities for 1? So 1 square will come 1. In the case of 9 square also will get 1, but the smallest one we need to take, that is 1. So the answer is 211. Now comes to the next question, that is 28224. Divide this into two parts, first part and the second part. It is 282 actually. So 282 means it is lies between 16 square and 17 square. 16 square is 256, 17 square I am writing here. This lies between 16 square and 17 square. What is 16 square? 256, and 17 square is 289. But the smallest one we need to take, that is 16. Now comes to the last digit. What are the possibilities for 4? We'll get in the case of 2 square and in the case of 8 square also. But the smallest one we need to take, that is 2. So this is okay. So this is what we need to know. Okay, clear? To find the square root, this is the shortcut. Okay, so you're not supposed to use the regular method, that is 10816. So we need to take first 2 and we'll compare with the 3 actually. So like that, we're not supposed to use that method. Okay, so right, next one. Yeah, this one now. So again, mixed fraction, we'll apply direct method, that is whole numbers I am going to write 5 plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so now what is 5 plus 4? 9. 9 minus 3 is 6 plus, so how much? And apply the LCM. What is LCM for 2, 3, 4? Pick the biggest one and read the multiples. 4 ones, okay, that is not divisible by both 2 and 3. 4 2s are 8, not divisible by both 2 and 3. 4 3s are 12. Yes, it can be divisible by both 2 and 3. So that's why 12 is the LCM. This is of 6 times, and this is 4 times, and this is 3 times. Now 6 plus, what is 10 minus 3? That is 7 by 12. What is 7 by 12? Sorry, 12 here, 4, right? 4 2s are 8 ma. 4 2s are 8. This is 11. Sorry, this is 11. Okay, that is equal to 611 by 12 is the answer. Okay, so right, one more. Okay, now so 25 percentage. So what is 25 percentage? Okay, we can cancel percentage, and 2 zeros, right? So now 0.25 into 24 actually, 0.25 into 24. So how to calculate this means what is 25 square? 625. So from that we need to subtract 125 because here is only 24. So I'm multiplying this one, 25 into 24. How to multiply this? 25 into 25 minus 1. 25 25 is a 625, and 25 ones we need to subtract, we'll get 600. But here we have a 2 decimals. 2 decimals means we'll get only 6.00. So that means 6. So the total answer of this is just 6. Okay, minus. So now tell me what is 33.13 percentage. 33.13 percentage. What is equivalent fraction for 33.13 percentage? That is 1 by 3. So 3 in 12 will get 4. So 6 minus 4 is nothing but 2 actually, but it is not there. See, 5 is the answer. Okay, now I'll tell you clear explanation for this. Yes, we need to understand some basic concepts here. So that is, one second. Yeah. So now, what is, tell me 25%? I can write it like this, right? 0.25 by 100. Percentage is by 100 into 2400 minus 33.13 percentage. Equivalent fraction is 1 by 3. So this can also be written as 33 1 by 3 percentage or 33.3 33 percentage also. Yes. Okay, now so this is 1 by 3 of 12, so we can cancel two zeros. So now 0.25 into 24. Okay, I'll take it like so 25, sorry, 25 into, so 25 minus 1, so 0.25 into 25 minus 1, how much this is? Just 6. Okay, so minus, so how much will we get? So direct answer, right? Actually, yeah. So this one direct. The total is a 6 actually. Sorry, one second. One second. Okay, right. Yeah. So this is 6.25 minus 0.25. This is minus 3 into 4, 4 times, and subtract 4. Here we'll get 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. This is actual explanation, but I explained previous one is there, right? So that we need to follow in the examinations. Why? Because that will take less time. You need to be careful, like what is percentage? 100, we can cancel two zeros. 0.25 into 24, definitely we'll get 6 here. 33.13 percentage is 1 by 3, so this we can cancel off 4 times, means minus 4. The answer is 2. Okay, so there is no option, right? So that's why 5. Yes, next one. What is root 676? So root 676 is nothing but 26, and root 729 is 27, minus x we need to find, that is 18. So 26 plus 27 minus 18 is equal to x value. So there you will get x value is equal to 35. So this is, you know, the values of root 676 and 26. Okay, I'll tell you the method. So to find the root 676, you know the method, last digit and the remaining, sorry, yeah, sorry, once again, last two digits we need to divide. Yes, last two digits we need to divide, and the remaining is the second part. 6 in between 2 square and 3 square means the smallest one we need to take, and the possibilities of 6 are, possibilities of 6, what are the possibilities? 4 4s and 6 6 are. Okay, so right, okay, right, here we'll get 6, right? So 26. Yes, one second, a small change actually. It is to find the squares. We will check it once. So this is 4 square and 6 square, right? Okay, the smallest one 104 here. This is okay. This is right. I just want to check. This is 104. Okay, right. So this one is correct. And the next one is 211 into 211. 44 521. Yes, this is also correct. The small one. Okay, right. So one more we'll check, that is 162 into 162. We got here, yes, here we got different values. I think this is 168 into 168. Yes ma, this is 168. A small correction here, 168. Okay, right, small correction. So here 676 means 26 and 729 means 27. Root 729 means 27, and we found that x value is 35. Yes. Okay, next one. So this one, add up these values. So that is 16.75 plus 121.12 will get to 78731. So from this we need to subtract 8.8. will get a 7, 0. 17 minus 8 will get 9, and this is 12. 129.07. Yes. Next one. So this is 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4, and the division becomes multiplication, and we need to take reciprocal of the second fraction, and again reciprocal of the second fraction, that is actually this is 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, right? We need to take 2 by 5. Okay. Yes. So this is of 2 times and this is of 3 times. Now the answer is 12. Okay. And one more. 60% of 365. What is 60% of 365? So we'll write 60 by 100 into 365 plus 45%. 45 by 100 into 280, that is equal to 25%, means 20 by 100 of x. This is what we need to find. So that's why I'm taking it as x unknown, right? So x percentage means x by 100 of 125. Okay, now I am going to cancel all the hundreds denominators, and the remaining is 60 into 365 plus 45 into 280, that is equal to 25x plus 125x, means this is actually 150x, right? Yes. So now 15 table here 10 times, here 3 times, and here 4 times. Yes, 15 fours actually, right? Now 4 into 365. How much 4 into 365? 1460. 1460. Now 3 into 280. What is 3 into 280? 840. But here, see here, 10 is there. So we can cancel these zeros. Now the remaining is x. Remaining is x. Now we can add these two. That is 10 times and 13. You will get 230 is the answer. Okay, you need to be little fast in these calculations. Okay, so right. Next one. So 15 1 by 2 percentage. What is 15 1 by 2 percentage? Yes, 15 1 by 2 percentage means 31 by 2. 31 by 2 into 100 into 3400 plus what is 25 percentage? 25 percentage means direct we can take 1 by 4 into 92. 2 zeros we can cancel, and this is of 17 times. Now 31 into 17. How to write 31 into 17? 10 plus 7, that is 310, and 731s are 217. Okay, so now the answer is 527, and 4 in 92, that is 23 times. So we need to add 23 here. Now the answer is 550. Is that clear? So 550 is the answer. Okay, so yes. Next one. 37.5. 37.5 percentage. What is 37.5 percentage actually? 37.5 is nothing but 3 by 8. What is 37.5? 3 by 8 into 512 plus 12.25 in the sense. What is 12.25? We can write it as 49 by 400. So direct value into 800. So this is of 2 times, and this is how many times? 6 and 4 times. 364s are 192 and 49 2s are 98. Now the answer is 290. Sorry, yes, 290 is the answer, but there is no answer means, so 5 is the option. So next one, cube root of 157464. Okay, now here I would like to mention one thing. Okay, before going to the okay, first we'll see the method, that is, so again this one also we need to divide this number into 2 parts. Sorry, we need to divide the number into 2 parts, that is last 3 digits and the remaining numbers, and check the second part. This is second part and this is the first part. The second part lies between the cubes of which two numbers? Cubes of which two numbers? Actually 157 lies between 5 cube and 6 cube. So that is 125 and 216. From these two, 5 and 6, we need to pick the smallest one, that is 5. And now the possibilities for 4. What are the possibilities for 4? Means I would like to mention one thing here. So 0 cube, 1 cube, and 4 cube, 5 cube, and 6 cube, and 9 cube. For this set of values, you will get the answer same as the number. So that is the last digit we are going to get. If we found the last digit is 0 in the given number, we will get 0 in the answer also. And 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 also. Okay, see here, we have found 4 here, right, in the last digit. 4 cube in the sense we will get 4 only. So means a 4. Okay, so if you are able to find 2 in the last digit, then the answer is 8. If you found 8 in the last digit, your answer becomes 2. Okay, if you found 3 in the last digit, your answer becomes 7. If you found 7 in the last digit, your answer becomes 3. So, okay, these are the logics we need to remember. And we need to know the cubes of the numbers up to 20. So that is 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216, and 7 cube is equal to, what is 7 cube? 343, 8 cube is equal to how much? 512, and 9 cube is equal to 729, and 10 cube is equal to 1000. If you are able to remember these 10 values, and I'll tell you the way how to remember the cubes of 11 cube, 12 cube, and up to 20 cube in the next class. Okay, is this clear? Now we got the answer. We have found 4 in the last digit, means your answer is become 4 only. If you found 2 here, your answer becomes 8. If you are able to find 7 here, your answer is 3. So that is the logic behind the cubes. Okay, and I'll give you one more question. So that is cube root of 658 503. So divide this into two parts. What is 658? 658 lies between 8 cube and 9 cube. So means 8 becomes the answer, one of the part of the answer. And we found 3 here. 3 in the sense, what is the answer? 7. If you found 3, you need to write 7 here. So 87 is the answer. So and one more example, that is 1295029. Again divide this into two parts. 1295. 1295 means, so it is lies between 10 cube and 11 cube. 11 cube is nothing but 1331. 1295 lies between 10 cube and 11 cube. We need to pick the smallest one, that is a 10. You found 9 here. So what is 9 answer? If you found 9, then answer becomes 9 only. Means 109 is the answer. So this is the way to solve cube roots. Okay. So what is the answer for the given question mark? 54 is the answer. And one more. So read the question. 0.512. What is 0.512? So actually 8 cube is 812, right? 512, right? So I'll take here 0.8 cube. We'll get 0.512. Whole power 2 is there. Divided by, so this is 64. How to write 64? 8 square. But 0.64 means 0.8, sorry, 8 square. And we need to take whole square. Into 0.8 whole power 5. So that is equal to 0.8 whole power x minus 2. This is the expression. So now this can be 0.8 whole power 6, and the denominator is 0.8 whole power 4 into 0.8 whole power 5. So that is equal to 0.8 whole power x minus 2. Now the expression becomes directly, this is 6 minus 4, we'll get 2, 2 plus 5, that is 7, x minus 2 is equal to 7, then x value is 9. Exponents and powers concept I have used. We can cancel the basis, right? So answer is 9. And one more, 56.5 percentage of 4880, 26.2 percentage of 4400 is equal to x square plus 1204.4. Okay, so now I'm going to take 4 common from the left side. So that is, so this becomes 56.5 percentage of, I have taken 4 common, in the sense this becomes 1220. Okay, we need to take 4 common from everything, right? Okay, so don't use brackets here. So minus 26.2 percentage of 1100 is equal to x square plus 1204.4. Okay, now 4 into 56.5. I am going to take it as approximately 56 percentage, and again 56% I am going to take it as 50% of 1220 plus 6% of 1220, and then 26.2 percentage I am taking it as approximate value, that is 26 percentage, and again I am dividing that into 20 percentage of 1100 minus 6 percentage of 1100. So that is equal to x square plus 1204.4. So now 4 into, what is 50% of 1220? That is 610. Yes, 50% means half, right? Now 6% of 1220. What is 6% of 1220? 6 by 100 into 1220. So here I am writing 6 by 100 into 1220. So we can cancel 0, and this becomes actually 732 by 10, means 73.2. So you need to do these calculations in your brain. So that is 73.2. And after that, 20 percentage of 1100, we can cancel percentage and 2 zeros. 20 into 11, that is 220, minus 6 percentage of 11, that is 66. We can cancel percentage and 0. Why? Because 6 by 100 into 1100, right? We can cancel 2 zeros, that is equal to 66. So that is equal to x square plus 1204.4. So now 4 into, how much? 610. What is the 610? 610 minus 220, or we can say this is 683.2. 683.2. So from that we need to take how much we are supposed to take? This is 66, right? Yeah, 66 means 286. That is equal to x square plus 1204.4. So now 683.2 minus 286. So subtract 13 minus 6, how much? 7 will get, and 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8? 17 minus 8 means we'll get 9, and here 5 minus is 397. Is this okay? 2 minus 0, 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. 17 minus 8 is 9. 5 minus 2 is, yes. And we need to multiply this with 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. And 2 becomes the carry. 4 9s are 36. Plus 2, that is 38. 4 3s are 12. Plus 3, that is 15. Okay. Now the answer is 1588.8. That is equal to x square plus 1204.4. Now the x square is 1588.8 minus 1204.4. Now how much? Tell me. This is of 4 and 8, 3.4. 384 we got. Actually x square is equal to 384. We can take it as approximately 400. Now the x value is square root of 400, that is plus or minus 20. So we have only minus 20. So that is the answer. We'll check it once. We'll check it once. We'll check it once. Okay, 6 by 100. Okay, this is 1100, right? Yes, 1100. So means this is 220. Is it okay? 220. 11 into 20, 220, and 600 we will cancel. 66 will get. So that is 86. 286 will get. Okay, right. 683 minus 2, 286 in the sense we'll get 397.2. Okay, fine. 2 minus 0, 2. 13 minus 6 means 7. 17 minus 8, that is 9. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 397.2. We need to multiply with a 4. 8, 28, 36 plus 2. 38, 12 plus 15. Yes, ma. So we got the answer. That is 20. Okay, we have more to discuss that we will see in the next part. Okay, if you have any doubts in these 20 questions, you can mention in the chat box. I'll suggest you how to solve those questions. And again, in the next questions also we are going to discuss the square roots and cube roots and multiplication techniques also we are going to discuss more. Okay, no need to worry. No need to worry. Okay, again and again you will get the explanation for the square roots and cubes and the fractions and percentages that I have written, right? So where I have written here, see, this is, so I have taken that percentages, right? 33 1 by 3. Okay, that is 33.33 1 by 3 we need to take. Yes. Okay, I am going to explain those all things in the next part. Yes, thank you.